some of you guys might remember this Jeep I got from Temu. It was a major hit. Not only was it $23, it offered a lot of fun and a lot of bang for your buck. So I decided maybe I should upgrade this Jeep to, you know, brushless setup and metal drivetrain and whatnot. But then I came across this beast. Yes. So apparently this is the same as this Jeep, but already done up for you. It's already brushless, already has a metal drivetrain, and it's supposed to be really fast. So I decided, hey, I need to try this thing out. Maybe you guys would like to see what this platform does, brushless out the box. So this truck ended up costing me just under $80, which is not too bad if the drivetrain is fully metal and it is brushless. They do claim a top speed, I think around 50 miles an hour, which I'm gonna test out, obviously, because I don't think it can go that fast, but you never know. These cars do surprise me a lot. All right, so there is our little truggy, I guess we can call it. Not too bad, has the same wheels as the Jeep. So I don't know if those wheels can handle 50 miles an hour, but guess we'll have to find out. Oh, this one does have a bouncy suspension as well, so that's a bummer. I was hoping it would have oil-filled shocks, but that's all right. That's not a deal breaker for me. We do have the spoiler for it, so I'm gonna mount that in a second, but yeah, it looks good with it, completes the look. So with this RC, you do get a wheelie bar and a spare bumper brace. USB charger, it looks like it's 2S. Some shock spacers and spare body clips. They also provide spare tethers, which is nice. I always break these. Then we have some tools. You got a wheel wrench and a Phillips screwdriver. Included battery is a 1500 milliamp hour 2S battery. Dean's connector. They also provide you with a really thick manual. Lots of detail in this. This is really nice, I must say. I did not expect it from a budget RC. And finally, we have our transmitter. This transmitter worked pretty well on this Jeep. I wonder how well it's gonna work on this truck, because this thing is a lot faster, so we will have to find that out. It does have speed selections here, channel 3 button there, probably for the lights. Then we have steering trim, steering dual rate.
The reverse for that, and an on and off button.
All right, so let's see what this thing can do on the factory 2S battery. Not too bad on 2S. Looks like it moves pretty well, maybe a 32, 35 even. The tires are not that great, which I predicted. So I'd like to see how it does on 3S, because I don't know, it might be a really big handful. Trying to scrub them down a little bit to see if I can get more grip, but you gotta ease into the trigger. All right, let's see what it did. Stock 2S battery, stop read, 32 miles an hour. Not too bad. And like I said, the tires are a little there. I think they're a little too hard. So let's see how it does on 3S. This should be interesting. Oh, man. What? Really powerful. Yeah. Wow, all right. That was not full trigger. Let's try that again. All right, here we go. Full trigger. Oh, and we lost control. For some reason I lost radio frequency, so that sucks. And it went into the bushes. Where did you go? I hear it. Oh, there it is. This thing's wild on 3S. Oh. Yeah, wheelies, dude. Oh, yeah. Still going. Nice.
Wait, can I try it?
Yeah. It's not bad. I'm pretty sure it goes 50.
Bro, I want that. That's sick.
Yeah, you gotta ease it in. Yep. And just watch out for your friend.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
I'll give you $50 for it.
You'll give me $50 for it?
Yeah.
All right, we'll see after I'm done how it does. If it's still alive, then we'll work out a deal. Fully pinned. All right, let's bring it back one more. Fully pinned.
That's like 35.
You can tell the battery's getting low. All right, let's see what it did. All right, let's see how fast this thing did. Stop read. 48 miles an hour. Not too bad. Almost 50.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, that's pretty good for that little RC. Woo! Thing's an animal, right? Woo! Yeah, buddy. Woo! Oh, dude. You guys like this thing?
For your buck.
Best bang for your buck?
I'd say so.
Oh, nice, dude.
Subscribe to Pete Nova RC, guys.
Yeah. All right, it is the next day. Bad the weather is coming in. Let's see how this thing does on a stock battery. Nice. Woo! All right. Oh. Actually, air control is pretty good, surprisingly. Yeah, air control is good, just the landing's bad. Body pin is a little loose. We'll just stick it on the last thing there. Should hold a little better. Oh, it looks like the battery's getting low. Let's see if it has one more jump in it. All right, one more. Nice, dude. All right, I know it's almost dead, but one more. All right, let's try 3S. All right, 3S, medium speed. Already has traction problems. Whoa! Backflip. Oh, jeez. I was not expecting that. All right. Let's actually set it to low first. See how it does. Ooh. 2S might be the sweet spot for jumps. Has a hard time landing them. Oh, there we go. Kind of have to pray it lands and keeps on going, but now it's ending up on a roof. There we go. That was nice. Oh, try the air control and it was too much brake. Nice. All right. Tires definitely don't like the ramps. No traction. Oh. Oh. Good. We're good. Whoa, I didn't expect that. Tires do not like the surface of the ramp. Double. Oh, landed it, but there's no way those sharks are gonna land it. Should have bought the extra clips with me, but I wasn't thinking and I was rushing. Oh, no. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah. Full throttle. Good. Oh, face shot. All right, it is still good. Full throttle. Ooh, knocked the battery out. Thought I could make the double, but it said no way, dude. Oh, and we cracked the body. Yeah, that was a hard hit. My bad. For those of you watching, the key to a happy drivetrain is letting go of the throttle as soon as it touches. That's how you keep your car alive. All right, so the hockey players next door are playing some copyrighted music, so it is time to shut the operation down. This truck has been awesome so far, so good. Wish the shocks were oil filled on this thing. It would help a lot with landings, but overall, this truck is great. It's fast. The response is mediocre, but good enough. You get used to it. No problems there. The body did crack on me earlier, and I think the light went out, but it might just be unplugged. Let's just check. No, looks like we ripped off the wire at some point, probably when it fell on its face. And it looks like the main chassis bent also, probably from that face impact. Yeah, don't do crazy jumps because you're gonna bend your chassis. I'm sure you can bend it back, but keep a note of that. And also, if you're gonna run 3S batteries, you gotta use a strap. I custom make my straps. There's kits, I'll link them down below. So you can strap your batteries in case they have like a proprietary battery strap, like the plastic one that was here. Yeah, you can't use that with thicker 3S batteries. But overall, this truck is awesome for 80 bucks. I cannot complain. And yeah, on to the next one.